If you're planning to start a business in California, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to start an LLC in California, even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Forming a limited liability company or LLC in California is a popular choice for entrepreneurs, and for good reason, because you get to have all these: legal protection, flexibility, and a professional business structure. Forming an LLC in California is often one of the smartest choices. Now, the next step is choosing a name for your California LLC. Your LLC name must be unique in California, including LLC or Limited Liability Company, L.L.C. And of course, it does not include restricted words like bank, insurance, gov, bureau, or trust unless approved. Now, to make sure you have the availability, you need to go to the California Secretary of State website to ensure it's not already in use. Now, if the business name doesn't have a match, that means it's good to go. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Now, if you want to reserve that, there is like a $10 fee so that others will not gonna be able to claim it. After that is choosing a registered agent. Now, every California LLC must have a registered agent because they receive the legal documents and government notices. They must have a physical address in California and be available during normal business hours. You can also be a registered agent on your own, provided that you meet all the state requirements. Now, the official step that creates your LLC is by filing the Articles of Organization, which is going to be via the Form LLC-1. You can file this Form LLC-1 with the California Secretary of State. Now, you need to have all these: LLC name, business address, registered agent info, management structures like a member manage or manager manage. Filing options can be done online, by mail, in person, and there's going to be a corresponding fee of $70. Now, processing time may vary, a few days online and longer by mail. Once approved, your California LLC is officially formed. Although California doesn't require you to file it, an operating agreement is strongly recommended because, for one, it outlines the ownership percentage, member responsibilities, how profits and losses are handled, preventing disputes, and keeps your LLC legally protected. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. You also need to file the initial statement of information, which is going to be the Form LLC-12. You need to keep your LLC's public record updated and compliant with this essential filing, and you can do that on the California State website. This form is due within 90 days of filing your initial Articles of Organization. There is like a $20 filing fee, and of course, you need to use this form to provide updated details regarding your LLC's address, management structure, and registered agent. And for the quickest processing, you can simply file this online and you're good to go. California has a unique tax rules for LLCs that you need to consider because it's very important to stay compliant. You have the minimum annual tax, potential exemptions, income-based fees, and of course, tax reporting. You see, traditional filing, while it's cost-effective, it really is time-consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including California. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option. You will be forwarded to a new page. You just have to enter the business name. Now, if you don't want to deal with this, you can skip and decide later and click the next button. After that is we need to select the state that we wanted to create the LLC. In this case, that's going to be California. If you wanted to provide an email address or a phone number, you can do that. But if you don't want it, just click the next button. Here, we need to select the industry that is related to our LLC. In this case, we're going to be choosing affiliate marketing. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. Click the next button, and then from here, you see that there are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to start an LLC in California, from choosing your business name and filing your articles of organization to getting your EIN and staying compliant with state requirements. It's totally doable on your own if you're comfortable handling paperwork and following each step carefully. It's the most cost-effective route, especially for new entrepreneurs on a budget. But if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. No matter which route you choose, forming an LLC is a powerful first step toward protecting yourself legally and looking more professional as a business owner. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.